Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to bringing another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to use notepad++. Okay, so hope you will enjoy this video. Let's get started. As you can see, here's my notepad++. Here I opened a new one. Here I can go to file, click new, or I can just click here. It's more easier. So here I'm gonna write HTML. Okay, so HTML help us to create web pages, and HTML is made hypertext markup language. Hyper is H, text is D, and markup it's M, L is language. Okay, so I'm gonna go down then until 20. Then I'm gonna close the HTML. Everything you open, you need to close it, okay? Here, if I will save it as, here I write not an HTML text file. I want it as, where is it? Okay, guys. So now it's not working because I didn't go to language, then I didn't go to H, and then I didn't click on HTML. Now if I go to file, then save as, here you can see it scams hypertext markup language. So here I'm gonna save it as new 30 hl dot html. Dot html is the file extension, and here we have the file extension to a hypertext markup language. Here I'm gonna save it. Now, if you can see, if I'll come to here, if I'll wait, where is it? I need to come to here, then I need to go out to, where is it? I saved it, and I think I saved web development, then HTML. Here I have it. As you can see here, we have only the web pages. We don't have here nothing, okay? Now I'm gonna make the title, okay? Let's make the title. If I come to here, what I need to do, I need to open head so I can write the title. Then I need to come down here, open the title, and close it slash title. There are two tags. That's one is opening tag and one is closing tag. They're only opening tag, that they don't have closing tag, and there's only closing tag. Okay. Here title, I'm gonna write HTML class. Okay, class 2. Here I'm gonna close the head because I finished it. Here I will open the body. Okay, so the body is the basic. Okay, body here, you need to write all the things that you need in the web page. Okay, now if you can see, if I come to here to save, and then if we come to here and then we refresh it, as you can see, HTML class 2, the title has changed. Okay, because I changed the title by myself. Now here I want to add H1. H1 means that I want to write, for example, a title, for example, not like this, like a title for a story. Okay, so H1 means that you want to write a title. So here I wrote H1 center. Actually, you don't need to use all of those. I'll tell you what it means. B means bold. B, I'm gonna not close it. U, it's underline. I don't want it. It's italic. Center I want. H1 I want. HR I want. Okay, so now I'm gonna write what I need. Okay. Oh no, I did a mistake. This one I'll copy. I'll cut, and I need to put it here. Okay, now it's good. Now here I'm gonna write let's say my homework of coding class. Okay, then here if you can see, if I go to file save or I click Control S, if I refresh it, as you can see, it's with underline, it's bold. Okay, and it have like this, it means HR. Okay, it's bold. So this is how you make, for example, if you want to make an H1, it means a title. For example, if you want to do a homework, okay, for example, you have a homework and you want to send it to your teacher. This is how you do it and how you make it more like the teacher can say, oh, he's really smart, I like his ideas, how did he know it, I still didn't teach it. Okay, let's get continue. So here I'm gonna write P means paragraph. Okay, P means paragraph. Here on the paragraph I'm gonna write my homework of coding HTML equals hyper text markup. Wait, sorry. Markup language. Okay, so now I'm gonna save it. Oh wait, language, I forgot to close it, /p. Okay, hypertext markup language. Then here I can go to file, then save. Then if I come to here and refresh it, you can see what I wrote. Okay, now here I'll make another one that said P wait H we use HTML to create web pages. Okay, /p. Now I'm gonna show you another tag. Okay, HTML. Now this I will make here something that says BR. BR means break. Okay, we use HTML. Then here I'm gonna make a BR2. I'll show you what it does. Now if you can see here, when I refresh it, so it's make a break. For example, it makes not a space, enter. Okay, for example, when we wrote like here HTML, then we do no, sorry, I can do it here. If I come to here and then if I click enter, so it goes down. So you can do it in HTML. What you need to do, you need to write BR. Okay, this is how you do it. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you understand. But before we finish, here I need to close the body. I almost forget about it, but you can't forget. When you finished, you gotta close it. Okay, for example, I open HTML, I close HTML. I open head, I close head. I open title, I close title. I open body, I close the body. I open H1, I close H1. Center and close center. B, close B. U, close U and open U. Here HR, it's only a closing tag. Okay, so save it and let's see it now again. So hope you enjoyed this video. Bye guys.